How to use the auto velocity option in CapCut. So if you want to get the velocity edit for your videos, it can be difficult to cut it and edit everything manually. So CapCut has the auto velocity feature. You can add this effect to your videos with one click of a button. So just watch the simple tutorial until the very end. And if you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. For more tutorials like this in the future, let's open CapCut and import our video. And I want to apply the velocity effect on this video. The first step is to add the audio. I'm going to add the audio from the CapCut library. And here it is. Now select your video. Click on Style, and find the Auto Velocity option and click it. Wait a couple of seconds until the app applies the effect to your video. And here it is. But if the effects is too fast or too slow, you can click on Adjust right here and select the interval that you want. When you adjust the interval, click here and wait for the app to apply the effect. Now, you can export your video to the gallery or share it on TikTok and other platforms.